Okay, let's continue with offset sectional views. Okay, they are used to show parts and features that do not line up with each other. And also, cutting plane line does not travel in a straight line. So let's look at the drawing here at the bottom. So we have the top view here and also the front view here. So the drawing is in third angle orthographic projection. Okay, so if you look at the circles here, the two circles, the one on the left and then the one on the right, they are not aligned to each other. So which means that the centers of those circles are not on the straight line. So for example, if you check at our section AA here, if we attempt to cut this in half as shown here with section AA, it will mean that our results will be here, section AA, which is here at the bottom here. Okay, so let's look this section in detail. If you check on the first circle, okay, if you check on the first circle, okay, you can see that the first circle here we have cut it through the center of the circle. So which means here we are not gonna have any problems because we are cutting at the center of the circle. And then moving on to the next one. So on this one you can clearly see now we did not cut at at the center of the circle. So we can see that from this point here of the circle to here there is a little space here. So if you check now, our section shows that it will be sectioned from this part here coming all the way through here and then ending up here, and then which means this line it is gonna miss out this part here. So if you take a straight ruler here and project this line downwards here, you can see that there is a little space in between the two lines. So those two lines, the other one, the one that is on the outside, you can see that it has some dotted lines, so which shows that it is a hidden detail or a hidden line. So remember we said that the hatching lines, they remove the hidden details, but in this case you can see that it is not removed. So which means this circle here, we did cut this circle but we did not cut the whole length of that circle. So which means we were supposed to cut here at the center here. So now to solve this problem we have to do an offset sectional view. So let's now focus on section BB on the right here. Section BB here, you can see that it is starting from there, going through the first circle from the center there, and then in the middle there it is turning. It is turning here so that it can just adjust, or maybe let me say align to the second circle there. So once it is aligned to it, it continues cutting through the other part. So now this is section BB here at the bottom. Sorry. Okay, so now section BB, it is clearly shown now down here. So you can see the first circle, it is perfectly sectioned well, and then now the second circle here, it does not have any hidden details anymore as compared to the first one on the left. So section BB, it shows how we can perform an offset sectional views. Okay, so now we also have a broken out sections. So these ones are used to generate a section for a small area without using a cutting plane line. So you can see on this one we are not using any cutting plane, a straight one. so it removes a small amount of material to show the interior details. So as shown on this drawing on your right, you can see on this drawing we just removed a small piece there so that we can be able to show on what is happening on the inside of this drawing, the bigger one here. It is always used in an orthographic view, so just like as it's shown here at the bottom here, this is the orthographic view, and then this is how we can show it. Okay, so they say it is used to enhance the orthographic view by giving the viewer a better look at a key interior details. So if you look here, we have this drawing here, and then we just used a broken out section line here so that we can show the details of the inside. So from there we are able to see that okay, this side here, it's a straight one, I mean it's a solid line, solid surface here from there to there. So that thing is shown by section lines, and then again there is a small hole there that is going from here going upward here at an angle, so it is shown here, and then also again here it shows that there's another hole here, from there to there is a hole. So that is how this broken out section is applied. So in most cases this kind of a sectional view, it is mostly used in assembly drawings. So where the parts where, like the time where you're gonna be doing the assembly drawing, you will see some of the parts they were drawn like this. So this is it. This is broken out section. So I want to pause here, and then we will continue again with the other parts on the next video.